What's up, guys? What's up? Coming in the building, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, I got a new face. Me not beer no more. I look good. Oh yeah. But anyways, fun and joke aside. Shoot there, shoot there. Happy New Year to everybody. We start it off with the energy. Lance, where you going? Where you going? We're gonna skate, me and Lance.
The Dora.
You know that game, they skate or die, or ride or skate. One of them, they on Game Boy. We have a new thing I will kick off on social media platform very soon. YouTube, TubeTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Trevor, Mivo, Schizo. And right now we have a show people skin a bun on fire. Oh! On fire! Like the show me now tell you no. On fire! Some people. Jesus, we got Miss PSYNOS. I hold the camera and say hi.
Hi.
Oh my God, we got road manager up in the building. Jay up in the building. We got Lance up in the building, my shooting brother. We got the Morris, you know what I mean? I take it from the skies, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, you know? Yeah, things are going. I can't read. Oh, I got pick up a friend too. A bossy friend, my muggle friend. Yeah. Tim.
Bruh.
This world. 2016, weighing at an incredible pound of 4 ounces, 3 pounds and 65 centimeters. Ashli!
That now go happen.
Good.
Nice.
Yes.
Oh!
Batty boy! Anyway, peeps, that was the first shot, action shot with pure energy. We needed that because we need some epic to just get right into the scene. No itching, no bag of talking, just right action. So let's go and journey the boy.
Oh!
Alright, this is a PR video.
I didn't see you there. I do what I did sooner. My name is Ashli Victoria White Barrett for long. And yeah, here we are going now. So we're gonna travel today with Ashli, and Ashley is going to where? One to think me I go. Anyways, if we can guess where I go today, I'm sending a $10,000 to a bank account in 2026.
See, so I'm saying, right now I got the camera, got the big camera with me. And we have a whole crew here, man. And we're gonna shoot Traveling With Ashli, man. Right now we're gonna do shoot the total scene right now. Shout out to my sons and the old guys, man. I'm ready for this action. Let's go, man. Let's get it started. Alright, so we're directing shot now. Lance. Alright, how we're gonna incorporate this is that we're rolling with friends. So you know when you look for the location.
Yo, man. Leave up a pull up the door, dog.
Not us yet. What?
Oh my God, it nearly dropped. Good job!
Well done. Well done. What's going on? Yeah, man.
Hey, Lance, what's that dropping now?
This one in pass.
Yeah.
And you wonder what?
Yeah.
You say, yeah, we'll find it now, and then you say, ready. Alright? Shout out to Miss PSYNOS, she's the greatest in the world. I love you, girl. Let's go.
Aw, that's so cute. Hi guys, so we reach our country and we're there on a river, the river they down there, so we maybe not gonna hear it. But yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Take your time, walk down the hill now, very slowly and nice. Very slow. Yes!
Yeah. Oh, look, it's fall!
Bruh.
Sorry. Alright guys, so we're at the back of Woi Woi. You know, they can't see where I'm going. And yeah, we're both a little sweaty now. Enough people don't know say Dolly bus sweat, but sometimes that's have to go on. you reap the benefits. But I wish you guys could understand how beautiful this is. Hold on, let me see if I can. How this work? Alright. Wanna talk to me nice now, man? This a Tarzan tress. You don't know about Tarzan? Me is Tarzan tress. Whew. Who around there, sir? PSYNOS?
Yeah.
We never yet say minus.
Yeah.
Only plus.
Only plus.
And plenty.
Hold on, you move too fast now. Hold on.
Them say me I move too fast. I should them know say I Winston and my father. Oh, look at them. Hi guys! I want to see the cave. Them man here stalk me, you know. All over go and them a stalk Ashli.
You're the one stalking me.
Have a bag of girl stalk me. Me want Ashli. Come and now travel around like taxi. Whoa. Oh my god. Reach. We have arrived. Oh wow, it's so majestic. Let me see me go on. Me I go on, but me don't really know me I go. Oh wow. Oh my god, reach down yesterday, father. Hold on, no. When I see, oh wow, go on yourself. You know if I operate this, you know. But people, look pan river now. Wanna look pan river.
Speed off, Jesus. White tees and I'm a beam. Got some sharp like you.